Good morning. My name is Charles Porter with Star Hanger Systems, and today we're going to talk about our new countertop connector bolt. It's a small change from a hex head bolt to an Allen head bolt, but as you'll see, it makes a lot of difference.
Today we are going to show the quick installation of the Star countertop connector bolt. It is a custom-made 1/4 inch by 3.5 inch Allen head bolt coupled with rectangular steel washers. Installers find that a 3/16 inch ball end hex wrench used with a battery operated drill works best. Every installer hates busting their knuckles with the old style countertop bolt. Each bolt has to be turned about 20 times per bolt. It takes about 3 minutes, working upside down in awkward positions to tighten each bolt. We understand that connector bolts have to be strong enough to pull thick countertops together, and they have to be inexpensive. We believe we have met that challenge. We also have a router template for preparing the bolt cutout. Our Star Hanger connector bolt template is made out of 3/8 inch thick phenolic resin for a long lifespan. They are intended for use with a 3/8 inch collar and a 1/4 inch straight bit, allowing for a 1/16 offset with a plunge router. Our new countertop connector is simple, inexpensive, strong, and requires only common tools. It can be installed into a slot in seconds. It also works with existing universal cutout pockets or in CNC cut with our online CAD drawing. For fast installation of the bolt, we also sell a 3/16 Allen wrench with a 3/8 inch socket. Some customers cut them off for use with a drill. Here we are testing the connector bolt strength. In this case, we are using a narrow connector slot at 5/16 inch wide, which is stronger than the 1/2 inch slot. In repeated testing, the particle board fails at about 500 pounds, which is about a quarter of this bolt's grade 5 strength. Generally, there are 4 countertop bolts per 24 inch countertop, and they take about 10 minutes per countertop seam to install. At $50 per hour or 83 cents per minute, the per seam installation cost is $8.30. Our countertop connector saves about 6 minutes per seam. After the cost of the 48-cent connector bolt, you save about $4.72 per seam.